Okay, so today we're going to be making this moon and stars, and you can get the template for free on our website. So if you go to ideas2ididit.com, you can download the template for free and you can make it along with me. Mine's made out of wood, but you could easily make this out of cardboard as well and just paint it. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to make the moon and stars. Okay, so here they are all cut out. I'll take off the paper pattern and give them a quick sand. Okay, so now I'm just staining the pieces. So I've got the moon is being stained with an early American and the stars were done with just a natural. And I like oil-based stains, but you can use anything you like. I'm going with the Minwax, but again, whatever you like. So I just put a second coat of the dark stain on there. Just let it sit for an extra couple of minutes. The wood's only going to go as dark as it's going to go, but I thought I'd give it another little pass. And look how cool that is. Where that knot is. Look how cool that is. Wow. That is awesome. And there was another really nice piece of knot down here. Look at that. That's cool. That's why you love real wood. All right. Okay, so I've recruited Chris to drill some holes in the stars for us. So show us the star. So these are the ones that are going to be hanging down. So he's going to just drill a hole through there that we can then put some fishing line through. Okay, so we've got this small hole that the fishing line will fit through. And then we'll be able to hang them. Okay, so let me show you how I put this together. So I just have some fishing line, jewelry wire or thread would probably work too. It's just strong plastic thread. And I'm just gonna cut a piece off. So you can see I've already done these. You just string them and tie knots basically. So I'm gonna go through the hole. And come up. Now I'm going to tie a knot off at the top just so it doesn't slide around on me. So just tie a knot and then I've got my line. If you're going to use beads, you would just fish them through. I'm just going to cut them off so they're the same length. Just fish them through the beads and put the beads down. And then just tie it off. I want to see what this looks like without the beads. I'm going to put both strands through. All right, there we go. And you just tie a knot. See how easy it is? It is easy, it's just finicky. And then you just tie a knot. Got your stars hanging, and then you can just go and trim it off as short as you want. And that's it. So this is the finished piece. I'm really pleased with it. The wood looks fantastic. If you were going to do this out of cardboard, you would probably paint it or color it, but you can see it looks fantastic hanging on our wall. And again, the template's for free on our website, ideas2ididit.com. Just go there and you can download it. Thanks for watching.